In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily turn any regular video into slow motion directly from Google Photos on your Android device. It's super simple, and I'll also share some tips on how to shoot better videos in the future so they look great when slowed down. So let's get started. First off, if you want to slow down a regular video, you don't need a third-party app. You can do it directly within Google Photos, which is really convenient. And here is how. So load up your Google Photos app and then tap on the video that you want to slow down. So for example, I'm going to click on this. So you can see that's moving pretty quick. Now, if I tap on the video and then hit the edit button, you will now see an option for speed. Tap on this. Now, we've got a few different increments of speed that we can work with. So we can work at a quarter speed, a half a speed. 1 speed is the normal speed. 2 makes it speed up. 4 makes it super speedy. So if I hit the quarter speed, hit the play button, and as you can see, that's starting to slow it down. What you will notice with this video is that there is a lot of blur in the video when it's slowed down. So to shoot better slow-mo videos, let me show you now what you can do. So we are going to just take a random video here of my keyboard, same sort of thing. Got my hand here. We're going to hit the settings button and we're going to make sure, if you can see here, frames. If your phone allows it, change it to 60 frames per second. So it means that it's working with more frames and it can slow it down to make it a bit more smoother. So I'll stop that. I'm going to go back to Google Photos and I'm going to click on this and hit the edit button. We're going to hit speed. We're going to hit a quarter speed and you'll see that there's not as much blur in here than the other video. Now, I'm not in great lighting. It is dark in this room at the minute. It's nighttime, but you can see if you got the right lighting, this would make a nice slow-mo video. And that's basically all there is to it.